How to check Steam money spent. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to check how much money you have spent on Steam. Alright, so let's begin. So what you want to do is open up Steam and click on this help icon right here, and then click on Steam support. And then once you are there, what you want to do is press on my account right here, and then click on data related to your Steam account. And then what you want to do now is scroll down until you see external funds used. And then what you want to do is just click on that, and then you will see how much money you have spent on Steam. So you can see over here you have a total spent, old spent, PW spent, China spent, and package only spent. But all you want to do is just focus on total spent. This right here displays the amount or the total money that you have spent on Steam. So that's basically how you can check Steam money spent. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.